Hello, good day. This is Ruski Kapski. Our topic for this day is about difference of two squares. Okay, in solving for or finding for the factor of the difference of two squares, you have to remember this. The factor form of the polynomials that is the difference of two squares is the sum and difference of the square root of the first and last term. So all the difference of two squares can be solved by using this pattern. A squared minus b squared is equals to the quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a plus b. So this is your guide in solving different types of difference of two squares. And then you have to familiarize this table. No? This table. The square of a number and their square roots. So if you can memorize this one, it is good. No? But it is advisable for you to familiarize all of this because it is easier for you to solve once you memorize this table. Okay, so I have here 5 examples for us to solve. The first one, we have x squared minus 1 y squared. So the first move that we're going to take is find first the first term square root and the second term square root. What are those first term variables? So we have x squared, and for the second term we have y squared. So all you have to do is to find the square root. So y squared, that is x. For y squared, that is y. So after that, we form two parentheses. Then distribute all of the square root. For the first time, we have x. Distribute it. Then copy the given sign. Then for the second parenthesis, opposite sign. Then the last term square root. Okay, that is the answer. That's the factored form of the given expression. Shortcut method, without writing the detail, you just make two parentheses. Parentheses. Then square root of the first term. Then a given sign, opposite sign for the second parenthesis, then square root of the last term. Okay, that's it. Then second one. Okay, look for the first term and second term square root. The given for the first term is p squared, second is 64. What are the square root? For p squared is p, for 64 is 8. So you just write two parentheses, then distribute the first term square root to both parentheses, then copy the sign, then positive, the opposite, then square root of the last term. That's it. That is the factored form of the given expression. Okay, shortcut way. You just write two parentheses to form its factor. For p, we have p squared, it is p. Also here p, then copy the sign, opposite sign. Then for 64 is 8. 8. That's it. Okay, for given number 3, we have 121 minus y squared. So find the first term and second term square root. Given for the first term, we have 121. For second term is y squared. What are those square root of each? For 121, that is 11. For y squared, that is y. Form two parentheses. Distribute 1, 1. Then copy the sign. Copy this opposite sign. Then the last term square root y. That's it. Okay. Shortcut we method. 121. Form cosine, two parentheses, then square root of the first term, 11, distribute, then opposite sign, then given sign, then opposite sign here. Then square root of y squared, that is y. Y. Okay, that's the final answer. Okay. Okay, number 4. The same, no? You know, the given is a squared to the fourth minus 81. So, yeah, you just write the first term, given terms, then last term, 81. So, next is find the square root. Square root of a squared, that is a. Square root before this, b squared. That is b squared. For 81, that is 9. Form a two parentheses. So, combine a, b squared, also here, a, b squared. Then the given sign is negative, here is opposite. Then the square root of the last term is 9. 9. Okay, that's it. That's the factor form of the given expression. Okay, here this is negative. That is not positive. Okay. Next, number is shortcut tree method. So you draw two parentheses. Draw two parentheses. The square root of the first term, a squared a, b to the fourth is b squared. You write also here b squared. Then here given sign that one, then opposite. Then square root of 81 that is 9, also 9. Okay, that's it. Okay. So the last number. The last number. So the same, no? Given for the last number is 9 over 16 r to the fourth minus 1 25th t squared in 39. So first term square root and last term square root. Given. So find the square root of each. For 9 over 16 we have 3 over 4. Square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4. Square root of r to the fourth is r squared. Then square root of 1 is 1, square root of 25 is 5. Square root of t squared is t, square root of 9 is q. Form parenthesis, two parentheses. So combine the first term, 3 4 r squared. Then here also 3 4 r squared. Copy the given sign, here opposite sign. Then combine the second term, 1 p t in q. Here also 1 p in q. Okay, that's answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, shortcut method. So we just form two parentheses. So 9 over 16 r to the 4. So it is 3 4 r squared. Also here 3 4 r squared. Then copy the given sign. Negative here is positive. Then square root of the last term, 1, then 5, then in square p, then in cube, then for here, you just copy t, then in cube. Okay, that's it. That's the answer. Okay. So, as you can see, in solving for the difference of two squares, it's just easy compared to the rest of the factoring method or factoring technique. So, for you to master this method of factoring polynomials, you have to constantly solve for a given like this, no? A given something similar to the one that I have showed to you. So if you have question of this of this presentation of this video, you can leave a comment below. Then if you want to master this, then you can replay this one and then try to solve without copying the answer that I have. No? But I know you can do it. And for now, thank you for listening and viewing my video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is Ron Slikarski saying goodbye and good day.